welcome back to our podcast, The Blend Effect.
I'm Radhika,
And I'm Siley, and today we are going to talk about.
exploring our family connections.
Yeah, so I think it's interesting. This will be fun. How was your relationship with your extended family growing up? How well did you know them? You want to just dive right into it?
Yeah. So, I mean, I was lucky enough in that, I kind of did grow up with my first cousins on my dad's side. And when I say, grow up, we never lived in the same city, but we would see each other, like during our summer vacations. And that was partly just because our cousins from India would always come and visit. And our cousins who lived like in Canada and the US were still, pretty accessible.
Close by, yeah.
Pretty accessible. But I think for me, what was interesting was that, okay, it was great to have them, and I'm still very, closely connected, with all of them. But what was interesting to me is I always had this fascination or this curiosity about like my other family, my extended family,
Yeah.
right? The second cousins,
Yeah.
the third cousins, the great grandparents, the grandparents, the great grandparents. Like, where did they live? Where did they come from? Where are their grandchildren today?
Yeah.
Are they like living next to me somewhere? And I don't know about it. So for me, that was the curiosity.
Right.
What about you?
For me, I think we did go to India every year.
Okay.
So I did have a chance to know my family. मला माहिती होतं की कोण आहेत, कोणाचं मूल कोण आहे वगैरे हे माहिती होतं, किती काका मावशा आत्या आहेत मला. पण because there was no social media growing up,
Yes.
we were the only ones on both sides who were living in foreign. बाकी कोणी नव्हतं.
Asha.
I think there were like little stints later on in life where people like came and lived here for a few months वगैरे. पण लहानपणी, the formative years, you can say, नव्हते कझन्स इथे नव्हते आणि ते विजिट पण नाही, म्हणजे विजिटिंग वॉजंट रिअली अन ऑप्शन इदर बिकॉज तेवढं कोणाची सिच्युएशन तशी नव्हती की कोणी येऊन सारखं येऊन विजिट करायला अमेरिकेत. सो and even my parents' situation wasn't such that we would just be able to keep going, but that's the only thing we did growing up. All their vacation days were saved to go to India, and we didn't go on any other vacations because that was the priority.
Yeah.
So because of that, I think benefit होता की आम्ही भेटू शकलो कझन्सना, पण because of the wide age range and the lack of social media or even just simple phone calls or cell phones or whatever, ते कॉन्टॅक्ट किंवा जसं लोकांचं असतं ना when they grow up with their cousins, तसं बॉन्डिंग नव्हतं खूप वर्ष.
Acha.
And it wasn't until I became older, like went to college, and there was now Facebook first, right?
Yeah.
And then smartphones, when I started connecting with my cousins. And so I thought that was really interesting because I think my first introduction were my cousins.
Right.
त्याच्या पुढे विचार करायला मिळालंच नाही. I didn't know anything about them.
Right.
I didn't even think about it because I was so busy trying to get to know my first cousins.
Right. But actually, I have a question for you. So when you say trying to, get to know your first cousins, so तुझ्या केस मध्ये असं होतं का you were literally just trying to pinpoint and identify who they were? का तुला असं वाटतं की even though growing up here you had a genuine interest in, म्हणजे त्यांच्याशी गप्पा मारण्यात, getting to know them?
Yeah, so मला असं वाटतं की I definitely had an interest in getting to know them.
अच्छा.
I'm a very people person. So तुझ्यासारखंच मला क्युरिओसिटी असते की अरे तू माझी बहीण आहेस, तू माझा भाऊ आहेस, tell me more about you. Are we alike in any way? म्हणजे आपले जेनेटिक्स सेम आहेत तर आपल्याला काय सिमिलर इंटरेस्ट आहेत का, किंवा आपले पर्सनॅलिटी ट्रेट्स सिमिलर आहेत का, या गोष्टी आपल्याला एक्सप्लोर नाही करायला मिळाल्या कारण आपण कधी त्यांच्या बरोबर राहत नव्हतो, राईट? सो मला ती क्युरिओसिटी खूप होती की युअर माय ब्रदर, बिकॉज आय यूज टू सी इथे सगळे whether they're Americans or whether they're like the Gujarati people or the Punjabi लोक, त्यांचे सगळेच असायचे इथे. So they'd always be like, oh yeah, like I just went to my cousin's place, and थोडी envy होती त्या गोष्टीची की अरे everybody has their cousins आणि आमचं इथे कोणीच नाहीये. I want to have that relationship with them, but I just didn't have the opportunity to do that in those early years because accessच नव्हता त्यांना.
Right. आणि I think म्हणजे माझ्या केसमध्ये तेच झालं because except for like a few first cousins, we didn't really have anybody else here. आणि आम्ही तर इंडियाला त्यावेळेला स्पेशली कॅनडावरनं affordability and access, त्या दोन गोष्टी नव्हत्या. So I had been to India 4 times in my whole life by the time I was like in my 20s. So of course when I was older and I went, and I was even more curious, right? Like, okay, I want to meet this person and meet that person and whatnot. पण मला एक खूप सांगावंसं वाटतं आणि मला एक खूप ही ॲक्च्युली चांगली गोष्ट वाटते म्हणजे आपल्या दोघींबद्दल की I know people and I have grown up with people who of course faced the same amount of lack of accessibility issues, right? With people in India because of no social media, no contacts, not visiting India, and those people not visiting here. पण मला एक असं खूप चांगलं वाटतं सायली की आपल्या दोघींमध्ये we had this curiosity So we were not these stereotypical North American kids who were like, I don't want to know my relatives, किंवा I don't care who they are.
Mhm.
आपलं असं नव्हतं. I think आपल्या दोघींचंही असं नव्हतं. And I did in fact grow up with some kids who were like that.
Yeah.
Who were like, okay, like I don't care
ठीक
about
आहे,
these
कोण
random
होते?
people,
Yeah.
right? पण आता आपल्या दोघींच्या नवऱ्यांचं थोडं ऑपोजिट आहे, because growing up in India, you are constantly surrounded by your family, right?
Right.
Your family is always there. Whether it's your second cousin, your first cousins, कोण ना कोणतरी असतंच.
बरोबर.
And we didn't have that benefit here growing up.
Right.
So as you said, मला आपल्या नवऱ्यांबद्दल थोडी खूप अशी envy वाटते की he grew up with his kakas and his kakus and his maushis and his ajis and
ती
his azobas.
कम्फर्ट लेवल आहे त्यांची विथ आत्या किंवा
हा.
whoever. कारण ते आपले आई बाबा जसे आहेत तसेच मावशी काका आत्या
Yes.
whoever मामा
Yeah.
वगैरे आहेत. तसं आय वुड से की माझ्यासाठी ऑफकोर्स आय लव्ह माय एक्सटेंडेड फॅमिली डिअरली, पण बिकॉज वी डिडंट ग्रो अप विथ देम दे फील लाईक एनी अदर आंटी अँड अंकल दॅट इज हिअर इन अमेरिका, आणि
Yeah.
तो त्या डिस्कनेक्ट बद्दल मला थोडं वाईट वाटतं. म्हणजे
हा.
मला तेवढ्याच हक्काने माझ्या काकाकडे जायचंय जेवढं मी बाबाकडे जाते,
हा,
सो ते थोडं मिसिंग होतं. पण आय थिंक की आता सोशल मीडिया आणि ते फ्रिक्वेंट
हा.
कनेक्शन, आता आमची परिस्थिती अशी आहे की आम्ही इंडियाला सारखं जाऊन भेटू शकतो,
हा.
इंडियातले कझन्स येऊन इथे
हा.
आम्हाला भेटू शकतात. सो
हा.
त्यामुळे मला असं वाटतं की आमची मुलं, म्हणजे आय थिंक आवर किड्स विल बी एबल टू हॅव अ
Yes.
मोर क्लोजर कनेक्शन विथ देअर कझन्स अँड देअर, म्हणजे आपले जे कझन्स आहेत ते
Yes.
त्यांच्या बरोबर, कारण तो ऍक्सेस आहे जो
Yes.
आपल्याकडे नव्हता.
Yes.
आणि आय थिंक kind of to segue into my next point is that although we didn't have access to people before,
Yeah.
it's kind of nice that we're able to have that access now. And as adults in college, for example, I did start connecting with my cousins and whatnot, and so I was able to start building that relationship then. So जरी लहानपणापासून ती रिलेशनशिप नव्हती तरी आय एम हॅपी टू से की in my 20s I was able to connect with these people and I was able to build whatever was missing before.
Right. And Saili, do you think that, because our parents kept us connected to Indian culture or to our Marathi roots, do you think that helped you, like maybe develop that curiosity more?
I don't think that मराठी रूट्स बरोबर कनेक्टेड आहोत म्हणून क्युरिओसिटी आहे. मला वाटतं की तो स्वभावाचा प्रश्न आहे. तुमचा स्वभाव तसा असेल की तुम्हाला इंटरेस्ट आहे, then you could be somebody who's just like so whitewashed, but still have an interest in other families. पण मला असं वाटतं की because we were so connected to our Indian roots, we were able to connect with our cousins easier. Because can you imagine if we were so whitewashed, where we just like don't speak any Marathi, or we don't know anything about India, anything about the culture, anything about the holidays, festivals, nothing. And then you go and try to have a conversation. कशावरनं कनेक्ट होणार आहात?
बरोबर.
ते काहीतरी बोलतायत, तुम्हाला कळत नाही की ते काय बोलतायत, त्यांना कळत नाही तू काय बोलतेस, आपला ऍक्सेंट तर काय कोणाला कळत नाही. So they've like spoken to us for enough time. आणि there's just no common ground there. So मग झालात तुम्ही कनेक्ट तरी थोड्या वेळ, it's like going on, like hanging out with somebody that you're not really connecting with, and then I don't think that relationship would have sustained. So I guess to answer your question again, I don't think that being tied to my roots fed the curiosity. I think it fed the connection.
And I couldn't agree with you more. Because our parents spoke to us in Marathi, because they helped us, to understand our culture, to understand our values, at least to a connecting point zhala with our relatives. Definitely speaking to them in Marathi, or it could have been की आता आपण जर का इंडियाला एका फेस्टिवलच्या वेळेला होतो किंवा आपल्याकडे काही फेस्टिवल झालं तर आपण त्यांच्याशी ऍटलीस्ट त्याच्यावरती कनेक्ट होऊ शकलो, राईट? सो दॅट आय थिंक डज हॅव अ लिटल, ऑफकोर्स स्वभावाचा तर प्रश्न आहेच, नो डाऊट, बट ऍटलीस्ट आपल्याला थोड्याफार काही गोष्टी आपल्या पेरेंट्सनी शिकवल्या आपल्या बॅकग्राऊंड बद्दल, आपल्या कॉन्टेक्स्ट बद्दल, आपल्या कल्चर बद्दल, आणि त्याच्यामुळे वी कुड connect with our family. आणि मला खूप एक गोष्ट सांगावीशी वाटते की we talk to a lot of parents today who ask us about us growing up and staying connected to to our cultures. आणि मला खूप एक असं सांगावं असं वाटतं की this is another reason why I feel like that is so important, because like these days people have access to visiting India and they have access to video calls which we didn't have access to, आणि तरी आपण कनेक्ट झालो. So today's kids,
there's no excuse.
Right? Exactly. तुम्ही जर का त्यांच्याशी मराठीत बोललात, तुम्ही जर का त्यांना आपल्या कल्चर बद्दल शिकवलं तर ते नक्कीच कनेक्ट होऊ शकतील.
आणि मला वाटतं की ही एक गोष्ट आहेच पण द बिगेस्ट थिंग आय थिंक फ्रॉम आवर पर्स्पेक्टिव्ह की मला ते थोडंसं कुठेतरी दुःख आहे की अगदी लहानपणापासून ते कनेक्शन नाही होऊ शकलं आणि आय एम गेसिंग एव्हरीबडी हू ग्रो अप in a foreign country somewhere, like if they had the potential to think like, oh, I missed out on this connection or this relationship with somebody that we could have been really close to. It is a sad thought to think about in hindsight. I thought you don't know what you're missing. Right. All the people who are like, oh, I don't care, who is that person?
Right.
They don't know what they're missing, so why should they care? But what if that person would have been like your cousin who's your best friend?
Right. Exactly. Exactly.
So मला त्याची जाणीव खूप आहे आणि त्यामुळे मला वाईट वाटतं की ते दुःख आहे. So I would probably encourage myself, my husband, and everybody who's our peers to make an extra effort, make those video calls, make those phone calls, make those India trips, or invite people over, or go on trips to other countries together with your family from other places. कारण ते connection build करणं खूप महत्त्वाचं आहे. आणि as we get older, like it's not easy. Every day we're living here in America. I'm not thinking about what my cousins are doing in India, but so the connection lose व्हायला खूप सोपं आहे. So ते नाही व्हायला पाहिजे. आणि I actually want to tell you an interesting story.
Yes, of course.
About lost connections and reconnecting. So a few years ago, I actually ended up doing some genetic testing. Kits astat and whatnot. And through that, I actually ended up connecting with somebody who ended up being my, technically she's my niece, and her dad is my second cousin though.
Acha.
Right? And जेव्हा पहिलं तिचं नाव आलं on like connected, people you may be related to, तेव्हा the chromosome matching was really high. तर माझं असं झालं की काय आहे, I don't know, असेल. But then I was too scared to reach out to her because I had no idea who she was. आणि मग माझ्या आईबाबांनी टेस्टिंग केलं आणि त्यांचं तर म्हणजे आईचं नाही पण शी इज रिलेटेड थ्रू माय डॅड साईड. माझ्या बाबांचं मॅचिंग तिच्याबरोबर डबल आलं ॲज मी. तेव्हा मला कळलं की काहीतरी आहे. अँड लेट मी टेल यू, ॲज अन इंडियन लिव्हिंग इन अमेरिका, यू नेव्हर थिंक यू आर गोइंग टू फाइंड समबडी दॅट यू आर रिलेटेड टू. युजली हे जे सगळं असतं ते इथल्या गोऱ्या लोकांचं असतं, or whoever lives here.
आणि आपल्या मराठी लोकांचं तर कमीच असतं because our diaspora is like non-existent almost.
मला कधीच वाटलं नव्हतं की अरे अमेरिकेत मी जेनेटिक टेस्टिंग करून I will find a relative. I was like, okay, whatever. And funny enough, like a year later, she reaches out to me and she's like, oh, yeah, she actually reached out to me, and I'm sure she was equally nervous because you don't know ki samorcha manus kasa asnar hai. And so, she just said, hi, I'm so and so, and hi Malvika.
Yeah.
And so she reached out and she said, hi, I'm so and so, and I think we're related, but I don't know how. And so then we actually went on this like mitochondrial DNA treasure hunt.
Acha.
Isn't that interesting?
Yeah.
So mitochondrial DNA is only passed down from mother to child. So what we actually very interestingly ended up doing, and we are both actually pharmacists.
Okay. Acha. Okay.
We're both pharmacists. A lot of people say we look the same. Like we look very similar. And we have very similar like ways to approach life and whatnot. And so and it's funny because we didn't know each other before this point, So to prashna yeta na ki oh, this person, are we alike, are we not? But anyway, so complete stranger, we start doing this mitochondrial DNA back tracing. And we figured out exactly how we're related.
Acha.
Tichi aji आणि माझे बाबा are first cousins.
Right.
First cousins.
Right.
आणि आपलं माहिती नव्हतं. That's such a close like relationship, like I know who my first cousins are.
Yeah.
But my dad had no idea. He didn't. And कुठेतरी माझ्या सगळ्यात मोठ्या काका आणि आत्याला आठवलं की अरे हो हे लोक होते बहुतेक, this is the connection वगैरे. And that's when all the puzzle pieces fit together.
Right.
And it was just so beautiful because we ended up building a really nice relationship. And now, she's like the maushi to my kids and stuff like that. But, we would have totally missed out on that entire thing had we not genetic tested because there was no connection remaining.
Right.
And it's funny because her dad, when her grandma was pregnant with her dad, माझ्या आजीने डोहाळे जेवण केलं होतं आमच्या सायांच्या घरी.
अच्छा.
तिच्या आजीचं.
राईट.
सो इतकं क्लोजनेस होता एका काळी जो पास डाऊन नाही झाला थ्रू द जनरेशन्स that we ended up being strangers for each other and we had to use a genetic testing like service to find each other.
Right.
Right.
So that's amazing. That is like so, that's
unheard of.
Exactly. But I think this goes back to this is like in essence this whole immigrant story that we address so frequently on our on this podcast, right? Like we face so many challenges. I think as immigrants, particularly, our parents definitely faced more, and the generation before that, even faced more. But this is kind of another one of those things, right? Like staying, connected to family was so difficult. And even to some extent, I think it probably, still could be so difficult. But the good thing is, because we have this curiosity, we have this connection to our language, we have this connection, to our culture. At least we're able to go digging. And at least आपल्याला interest तरी आहे किंवा आपल्याला एक curiosity.
I mean, there's the science that supports us, right? But and of course, like you said, there's social media and avenues. But I think the most important thing to do is, before the older generation passes on,
absolutely
talk to them. Talk to them. Get those names and dates and कोणाचं कोण काय आहे. कारण if my kaka and my atya hadn't told me, my dad did not remember.
Right.
My kaka is like 16 years older than my dad. So there's that like whole multi-generation gap between them. म्हणून काकाला माहिती होतं.
Right.
But if otherwise it was lost. It was lost information that would never be able to be discovered again.
Yeah.
Because it just simply didn't exist anymore.
Yeah.
तर तेव्हा मग मला असं वाटायला लागलं की यार आजी होती, आता आजी नाहीये माझी. आजी होती तेव्हा आजीला विचारायला पाहिजे होत्या या गोष्टी. I should have sat down. So then, interestingly enough, I have another third cousin or second cousin in Seattle. Jayant Dada, hi. I'm just like exposing all my family here. Yeah. And it's funny because his mom and my aji, they're technically, I think, maushi and niece.
Acha.
Okay. Acha. But ते साधारण एका like 10 वर्षाचाच फरक होता. Okay, because of everybody had kids at different times. तर they were really close. So I actually tapped her. She's technically माझी आत्या लागते, right? I tapped her a few years ago at the very beginning of COVID, and she was very like elderly. And I sat her down and I said, please tell me the entire family tree. आणि मी एका नोटबुक मध्ये लिहून ठेवलंय. The entire extension of like I think up to like third cousins and stuff. आता हे लोक कोण आहेत, मी कधी भेटेन त्यांना की नाही मला माहित नाही, पण डॉक्युमेंटेशन आहे.
Right.
Yeah, I think that's very special for me.
Yeah, no, for sure. And I think, Sally, just to maybe kind of almost close this off, do you think that Nore, for example, or even or other people just sort of who have grown up in India, sometimes I wonder if they take this kind of information for granted.
Yeah.
Because if for them it's always like ठीक आहे, कोणीतरी आहे, कोणीतरी मला ही माहिती देईल, कुठून तरी मला ही माहिती मिळेल. But growing up here, again, no accessibility. So, if you find somebody in Seattle who's, close enough, or if I find somebody, somewhere in the States, or, somewhere in Canada, then I am, as you said, tempted to go and talk to them. Because you know what, because like the reality is, like we don't live in India.
Right.
And we don't have access to 100 relatives where at least one person should be able to tell us. We just have access to those few.
Right.
And त्याच्यातून कोणीतरी सांगितलं तर it's like, hitting like this pot of gold, right?
Yeah, no, it is. Yeah. I mean, I do want to say it's like hitting a pot of gold. It's interesting. I'm going to take a slightly negative spin on it. की ती भीती पण एक असते की आपण we don't know what the family background was. Connection राहिलं तर चांगलं आहे, किंवा just असंच गेलं कारण somebody had 10-15 children, so किती लोकांचा ट्रॅक ठेवायचा, तर ठीक आहे. But can you imagine if you connected with someone, you're so excited and they're so excited, and it turns out there was like family drama, which is why you don't talk to each other.
Sure, ते तर होऊ शकतंच with like anybody.
But मला वाटतं it's important to, regardless of what the history was, and to be a good person and to maintain that contact as जे असेल ते की आता if I found somebody, then to be like we have a good relationship with each other, not to go out of our way to like, or to go out of our way to make sure we're not spoiling that, because it's rare. It's rare to find somebody who's genetically related to you, who is your family. And so I don't know, I just thought that was a funny thing to think about.
आणि मला एक काय असं वाटतं की, particularly not to bring this back to like our Marathi roots or whatever, but I just think because Maharashtrians, because we are so few and far in between, and again, going back to sort of, our like diasporic history or whatever, just because, we haven't been here for as many generations. Exactly. And त्याच्यामुळे आपले family connections, they have gotten lost or can get lost.
Right.
So this is our attempt to our attempt to like rekindle that.
Right. Back. Yeah. So I think in summary, we could just say that it's really great when we find family that we didn't know we had. Yeah. And I think जी family आहे जी आपल्याला माहिती आहे, I would heavily push people to stay connected to them.
Yes.
To have your children stay connected to them, because it's really special, and it is So, as someone who grew up in America, born and raised here, and didn't have that connection for the longest time, it is something I am sad about.
Yeah.
And I did miss out on, and I really wish that I had that relationship.
Yeah. Yeah. So that's, we can do better for our kids, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Yeah. Awesome. Thank you guys so much for joining us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Yes.
And we'll see you guys next time.
We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.